Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Michael. So today, for the first time ever, I'm gonna be using an airbrush. I have been postponing this video for the longest time, not because I'm afraid, maybe because I've been a little bit intimidated, and also because I've been super busy with work. But I think today we need to make this video. So today, again, I'm gonna be testing this airbrush for the first time ever and using one for the first time ever. This one right here is a kit that I found on Amazon. This is by the company Fantasy, and this is about $59.99. And it's a really nice kit. It comes with a compressor, which is really nice, and it gives you a PSI up to 25, which is really cool. It comes with the airbrush, and also comes with the 0.3 millimeter needle, and then it has this 7 cubic centimeter for the paint, and it comes with the trigger, and then it comes with the 6 feet long hose, which is really nice. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it also comes with the moisturizer filter as well. So for $59.99, I think this is a really nice airbrush. And today I'm gonna be testing it for the first time ever. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm not gonna be airbrushing anything expensive. So what I did is I went to Dollar Tree, and I think I found one of these at Walmart. This one, I believe I found it at Walmart. So we're gonna be customizing this dinosaur, and I think I paid maybe like $2 or $1 for this. I love the skull. I see the potential in this. The paint is not bad on this, but I believe I can do better, and today I have to prove that I can do that. If not, then it's gonna take me a lot more practice. But I think I can do that really well. So this is what we're gonna be customizing today, and also maybe I'll play with this one. I found this at Dollar Tree. I thought this looks really cool, like an armor robot. So we're gonna go ahead and customize this one. This one is by Final Faction, and you can find these, I believe, at Dollar Tree if they still have them available. So I'm also gonna be using this paint by Vallejo, if I'm pronouncing that, Vallejo, if I'm pronouncing that right. And these are based on acrylic color. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go downstairs, and we're gonna add a primer to these figures, and then we'll come back here, and then you guys go ahead and wish me luck. But other than that, I just want to say thank you for watching. If you like the content I'm making, don't forget to subscribe. And if you can do me a favor, if you can hit that like button, it makes a difference. Alright guys, so we are done adding our prime to our figures. It turned out really good. So basically what we have here is a clean canvas. So now it's ready for us to spray paint it, customize it. So hopefully it's gonna turn out really good. This one did turn out really good as far as the prime. And also our robot as well turned out really nice. So this one, as you notice, basically I took it apart just to make it a little bit easier for me to add the prime, and I will do the same thing whenever we start customizing this one. So other than that, let's go ahead and give it a try, and wish me luck. So here we go. Alright guys, so after 3 days of painting these figures, they actually turned out really good. The first one was the primer, and then after the primer, then I went with the airbrush, and then with the airbrush I went with the details, and then when I was done with the details, then I added the acrylic sealer, and it turned out beautiful. Let's take a look at it. Here it is. So here's the dinosaur for my first time using an airbrush. This actually turned out better than what I had initially visualized it that it was going to look like. So this actually turned out really good. So I'm digging this airbrush thing. I love the detail, how smooth the paint looks. And then at the end, since I added the wash, it highlighted all those details. So I think I'm gonna be doing this more often here on the channel. If that's something that you would like me to start doing more often, I will, because I really love doing this. This is actually amazing. So here's a before of this figure that I found on Walmart. I think I paid maybe for like $1 or $2. So take a look at it. So this image that you're looking right here, this is the before. And now this is the after. Right, and now let's go ahead and check out our robot. I added the primer first, and then from the prime, then I added the this one. I went different steps. I added a wash first, and then I added a dry brush to get the metallic texture on the robot, and then from there I went with the airbrush, and here it is. So I'm impressed. This is a $1 toy that you can find at Dollar Tree, and it was just the green plastic color. In fact, let me show you. Here's the before of this toy, and of course now here's the after. So I'm very impressed with the way it looks when you use an airbrush. It just does some magic that looks so clean and beautiful. And then once you're done with the airbrush, if you want to get again highlight those details of the textures and the shape, you add the wash and it makes such a huge difference. So very impressed with the quality and how these figures turn out. So super excited about it. Alright guys, so if you are a beginner like me and you're interested in this airbrush kit for beginners, I think it's excellent. For $59.99. This is a really good deal because it gives you that compressor, plus it gives you a kit, which is really nice. This one uses the 0.3mm needle, and I have to say this is high quality. So if you guys are interested in this kit, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description. As always, if you use my links at the bottom, it helps me out a little bit here on this channel. So in advance, thank you for using that link. So other than that, guys, that is it for today. I'm really excited. So I'm looking forward to my next video. If I want to do something more like customizing more figures and all that, I think that's what I'm going to be aiming more, because I've really had a blast. So other than that, guys, let me know what you guys think. Did you guys like my dinosaur? Did it turn out really good? Hey, let me know in the comments below. So other than that, guys, I guess I will see you next time, and take care. Bye.